Hi, my name is Andrea Amico. I'm the founder of Privacy4Cars, and I'm here to tell you about a brand new feature we just released. Usually, we use the camera to scan the VIN codes. But if you have one of these industrial devices, you can now use our brand new laser scanner. This is a Zebra TC75X, and this feature is available also in its cousin form, the TC75. This is an industrial device. It is pretty big, it's actually quite expensive, and it comes with a laser that you operate by pressing the yellow tab on the side. By default, we enable the optical scanner as usual. But if you have a TC75 or a TC75X, then you can go into Profile and Tools and request this feature. Now, once the feature has been enabled and you update the app, the first time it will still be in camera mode. And all you need to do is to go under Profile and Tools and enable that laser toggle. And once you get back to the regular screen, you will see the laser is enabled. And if you press the yellow tab on the side, you will be able to use the laser scanner to read the VINs of your car. This laser scanner is incredibly fast and works well even with small QRs in low light conditions. Now, if you have enabled this by mistake, all you need to do is to go back to the Profile and Tools, turn the laser scanner off, and now you're back in optical reading mode. So if your dealership or if your auction uses one of these industrial devices, don't forget to contact us and let us know you want to use our brand new laser scanner. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. For more tips and tricks, go to www.privacy4cars.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.